Channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Rockstar game launcher error code 162. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues, so you just follow this video. First of all, run launcher as the administrator. So guys, locate the Rockstar launcher game shortcut on your desktop startup menu, right click on the launcher shortcut and click the option of run as the administrator. Then confirm the user control prompts if appear, attempt to launch your game again or update through the launcher. Check network connection and the DNS. So connectivity issues prevent the launcher from authenticity and downloading updates. So restart your router and modem by unplugging them for 30 seconds. Reconnect your PC to the internet, preferably with the Ethernet cables. Open network and the Ethernet setting in Windows. Change your DNS servers to the Google DNS. Flush your DNS cache by opening the command prompt as the administrator. Okay, then type ipconfig flash DNS. Clear Rockstar game launcher cache. Corrupted cache files can often lead to the various launcher, including login and update failure. Close the Rockstar game launcher completely from your taskbar. Press Windows key plus R to open the run dialog. Type program data and press enter. Locate and delete the Rockstar game folder within the program directory. And restart your PC and launch the Rockstar game launch normally. After that, temporarily disable the antivirus and the firewall. So guys, security software can sometimes incorrectly flag the launcher as threat, blocking its network access. So open your antivirus or the firewall software setting, temporarily disable real-time protection or the firewall. Consult your software documentation for the specified instruction if needed. Attempt to launch the Rockstar launcher and perform the action that caused the error. Remember to re-enable your security software immediately afterwards. Fix 4th. Reinstall your launcher. Open your Windows setting, go to the app and feature. Then search for the Rockstar launcher. Click on the option of launcher and select the uninstall and delete any remaining Rockstar game launcher folder from your program files and data. Download the latest launcher installer from the official Rockstar game website and run the installer as the administrator to reinstall the launcher. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.